Hey there, Jake with B&H, and I'm looking at the new TOTA LED floodlight from Lowel. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe. This is a daylight LED floodlight from Lowel. It will deliver 4,275 lux of flicker-free continuous light and can operate on AC or battery power with the included V-mount battery attachment. It draws only 70 watts, but delivers the equivalent output of 750-watt tungsten bulb. It will give shooters a 65-degree beam that is ideal for flooding a studio with light or maybe a ballroom for wedding and event-type shooters. With the included barn doors, the TOTA LED can also be used to shape background light or increase the ambient light level in a room. TOTA LED is daylight balanced at 5600 Kelvin, with a CRI of 96.3, delivers excellent color accuracy. The power output is now controlled by a stepless dimmer that ranges from 100% to 0% brightness, and the included diffusion softens the light and expands the beam to 100 degrees while minimizing shadows. There are gel clips on the barn doors to attach desired gels, and the yoke can be mounted vertically or horizontally. Plus, the whole lighting kit comes in a convenient carry case that's ready for travel. Okay, so we're in the studio. I had to test out the TOTA LED daylight floodlight in a real scenario, and Doug had a great idea, interrogation scene. So I'm being interrogated right now by my cameraman, Mr. Bobby Sansevaro, who you all know. There he is. And we have this thing boomed up over the table. We have the plastic diffusion slid right in there, and we're taking advantage of the gel clips, but we're using a little bit more diffusion to really soften the light, make those shadows look really nice. And yeah, I think we're gonna get into it, and they're gonna interrogate me, and I'm innocent. I swear I'm innocent. Let's go. Like I say, this isn't your typical application, but this is a really creative application. A creative way to use a floodlight is having it above your subjects and sort of just, you know, floating light from above, giving some dramatic eye shadows on your subject and really upping the drama. Listen, man, I don't know what they told you, but I'm just a videographer. I show up with a camera to set and I hit record. That's where my responsibility.
So you didn't get the memo that all of these need to be signed now before every shoot?
News to me.
That's funny. Everyone in your department got that memo.
I don't know. You should ask them.
Oh, I already have.
Oh.
Every one of them are following this procedure now, except you.
So what's great about this light is that it's working as a key and a fill because it's just flooding the whole area with light. But because it's coming from above, it's getting some really nice dramatic shadows on the face and just upping the drama of the interrogation scene. I mean, they're just release forms. I mean, what's the big deal?
Just release forms? Do you understand the amount of litigation that can come down on this company for these not being signed?
Oh God. Oh, jeez. So we're shooting on a GH5 at ISO 400 at an f5, and we've barely touched the maxed output of the TOTA LED. Really happy with the results so far. It's been a fun scene to shoot.
Oh, you didn't get the memo?
Didn't get the memo. I don't really check
Everyone
my email
else
that
in your
much,
department got the memo.
Okay, well, maybe you should talk to them.
I already have, and they all do it.
So why am I here?
You're the only one who doesn't sign your release forms.
No one told me.
That's a problem.
You're telling me?
Yes.
I'm the one in this room. So the dimmer is actually playing a huge role in this because we don't want it to be too bright, we don't want it to be too hot. So being able to have control over the diffusion, but as well as the intensity of the light is really helpful, and I think making for a much more dramatic scene. Okay, listen, you know, I was supposed to get them signed, I forgot, they were in the bag, it was a long day, I just forgot. I don't want to go to jail, please, no, make this go away. How does this go away?
Get him signed.
So be sure to check out the new Lowel TotaLED LED floodlight sold exclusively at B&H, and if you want more information, just follow the link in the description below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep shooting. It's just some model release forms. I don't. What do you mean? How much trouble?
A heap of trouble.
A heap of trouble.
Oh God! You spit all over it. I saw the mist.